Hello, today I'm going to make a banana field mask that makes my face look like Snow White. We need a banana field, lice, cornstarch, milk powder, water, lemon or lemon essential oil. I don't have a lemon today, so I used lemon essential oil. Cut the banana peel like me. Banana peels contain vitamins, minerals, and lutein, which prevents skin aging. Place the banana peel in a container and add 2 tablespoons of rice. Also add a cup of water. Boil until rice is cooked. Rice is rich in protein, essential amino acids, and vitamins, which nourish the skin and helps in skin whitening. Put it in a blender and grind it. Put it in a bowl and we add cornstarch 1 spoon and milk powder 1 spoon. Cornstarch and milk powder is rich in vitamin A, B, and E, so it is good for preventing aging and removing blemishes. Add half a lemon or 3 drops of lemon essential oil. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and has excellent antibacterial effects. Finally finish it, put it in a sterilized container. Apply on the face and neck and rinse thoroughly after 10 to 15 minutes. Then you become Snow White. I'm going to take a bath and use this pack. Please come again next time. Thank you.